What's up, you guys? Welcome to MySimplyTailored.com. Today I'm going to be doing a little bit of beard maintenance, trimming and cleaning it up a bit. So underneath, I don't know if you can see all that, I got this undergrowth. As you can hear me muffle my voice, I got all this undergrowth that I need to take care of on the neckline. I got to also clean up all this edging through here, and on top of that, get rid of some of these flyaways. This is going to be my first, how-to kind of, so to speak, video where I actually clean up the beard. It's going to be a little bit weird. Usually I'm doing beard care and, little questions and answers and shit like that. But, without further ado, I'm going to start off by applying the beard butter. This is just going to help relax the hair and kind of get me to where I need it to be. I'm going to hit it with a blow dryer too, so it's going to get kind of loud. I'll probably speed up through all that. It's not doing a lot. Just going to hit it real quick. And before I shave, I like to hit the lining, like where I'm going to be shaving at, with a little bit of butter as well to help lubricate that. Put this on this side too. And then down here. Oh, it smells so good too. This one's peppermint pine. Quick hint, that's gonna be the Christmas blend. It always is. Alright, so let's start by just doing what we do best and straightening it up. As far as beard straightening goes, I don't do anything horribly special. I just use a blow dryer, my wife's blow dryer to be honest. I put it on high heat and turn it all the way up. Here we go. First thing I always do after getting the blow dryer out and putting all the hair into position is I'll go and I'll actually establish that line in the mustache. So in order to keep that handlebar stylish kind of mustache, you need to part the center. And what I do is I take and close the scissors, I'll run it up down the middle. Not all the way up, just a little bit. And then I'll do the same thing underneath the lip, right above the lip, to help keep that growth going in the right direction. Whoa! That could have ended bad. Yeah, not gonna go there with that. That's basically it. That's all you got to do. Just go in, clean up the edges.